Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make these super delicious and comforting cheesy chicken Hot Pockets. For this recipe, I am using chicken tenderloins. Before I boil my chicken, I'm first going to remove the tendons because those can be quite chewy. After the tendons have been removed, place your chicken in a large pot. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Cover it with water and bring it to a boil. Boil your chicken covered or uncovered for about 30 minutes. If covered, crack the lid so that your liquid doesn't boil over. Save this liquid to make your gravy. After your chicken is cooked, transfer it to a food processor. Pulse the chicken until it is finely shredded. I shredded my chicken in batches so that the food processor didn't become too crowded. Dump your shredded chicken in a large bowl and add 1 10.5-ounce can of condensed cream of chicken soup, a half a cup of mayonnaise, 4.5 ounces of shredded cheese, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir until well combined. Hey Millie, you gonna come taste this? My little taste tester is in here tasting it. This will be your third bite. She likes it plain instead of in a biscuit, so I'll have.
Like, you mean the crescent rolls?
No, I'm doing actual biscuits. So I'll leave her some off to the side. Girl, don't eat it all. Millie. All right, that's it till dinner. For the dough, combine 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1/4 cup of shortening. Slowly add 2 1/3 cups of buttermilk. Your dough shouldn't be sticky and wet. It should be a little on the dry side. Once your buttermilk has been added, use your hands to help form your dough into a ball. Flour your working surface. Dump the dough on your working surface, flour it, and knead or fold your dough a few times, adding more flour as needed, if it's sticky. Roll out your dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. You want your dough thin, but not paper thin. Cut out circles that are about 5.5 inches to 6 inches in diameter. I used a standing sifter to cut out my circles and then rolled them out just a bit more to make them thinner and wider. Once your circles have been cut, fill the center of each one with 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chicken and cheese mixture. Dip your finger in water and run your finger around the edges of the circles. The water will act as a glue. Fold one side of the circle over to the other side and use a fork to seal the edges. Poke several holes on top of the dough to allow steam to escape. Once your pockets are formed, spray aluminum foil with a non-stick cooking spray and place your pockets on the foil. Pat the tops with buttermilk. My oven has been preheating to 450 degrees, and because I'm using a pizza stone, the pizza stone has also been preheating. So transfer the foil from the counter to your pizza stone. The pockets will cook for 10 minutes. If you're not using a pizza stone, allow your pockets to cook for about 13 minutes. While the pockets are cooking, make your gravy to go on top. In a pan on medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour and stir for about a minute. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Slowly add several ladlefuls of the liquid you saved from boiling your chicken to the butter and flour mixture and stir. The more liquid you add, the thinner your gravy will be. Keep adding until you reach your desired consistency. Once your gravy is done, remove it from the heat. When your pockets are done, remove them from the oven and top them with butter. Place them back into the oven for 1 more minute. First. All right, theirs is plain without the gravy, and I put a little gravy on mine. Nay.
Good.
That's pretty good.
Y'all were quiet. It's a nay.
No, it tastes pretty good. It tastes like chicken dumplings.
Sweet.
It's good though.
It does taste like chicken and dumplings. Yeah.
But it's good.
Thanks. We need to show better reaction. They're gonna be like, they don't like it. Wow. Oh my god. This is so good. What do you think, Millie?
Oh, yeah.
No. That's good.
Good job.
Thanks. Let's say bye enthusiastically, since we were so enthusiastic with our taste test. 1, 2, 3.
Bye
Bye.
enthusiastically.